how to enable touch pointer in any mobile phone. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable touch pointer in any mobile phone. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch settings on your device. The first step you have to follow is simply turn on the developer mode. For that, tap About Device. Scroll down and select Version. At top, you will see build number. Simply tap on it for several times. Once you tap on it, you will see that you are already a developer. That means we have successfully turned on the developer mode on our device. Come back to the settings page. After that, select additional settings, scroll down and locate developer option. Open it. Scroll down and locate the input section. We are on the input section. You will see two options, that is show tabs and pointer location. Simply, you have to toggle the button on for show tabs, and as you can see that we have successfully enabled the touch pointer in our mobile device, and the pointer has been turned to gray circle or dot on the screen. So that is how we enable the touch pointer in any mobile phone. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.